Kihuhukanio kingi thiini wa university cia MUINGI kiri njira rita riri Kanju ya kiama kia aruti wira thiini wa university cia MUINGI ikiruta mukana wa gukambiriria mugomo mweri-ini wa kenda. Maya magicungiririo ni uthurimi uria ukoretwo githie na mbere wa mitaratara ya wandikani kuringana na mendekithia ma KAMITII ya kwandika wira aruti wira a MUINGI. Kiama kia aruti wira a university cia MUINGI KUSU gikiuga arutani anene a university ni maramakungiria wara. Kuringana na mwandiki munene wa kiama giki Charles Mukwaya, ciama cia arutani na aruti wira ciri na kihoto gia gukuruhanio mutaratara-ini uyu. Ona kuhana uguo akiuga MIHANG'O ino ikoretwo igitwarithio na mbere nduma-ini.
The idea and the intention of the public service is correct, but you are using the wrong method to arrive at what you have been instructed to do. Let us as stakeholders sit and jointly come up with the draft generic HR instruments.
Mukwaya akiorota arugamiriria nene a university cia MUINGI akiuga muoroto wao munene ukoretwo ari kuhangira nda ciao na njira ya gwithondekera iturwa na ngathi cia iguru cia kiwira.
They themselves are in the kitchen. How can they cook food that is suitable for everybody? There must be a neutral party, and that's why if this process is handled in a tripartite manner, where the union is involved in negotiations, then the product will be acceptable to the wider majority of the workers of this country.
Tumeona kwamba wao wanajaribu kujitafutia zile grades za juu ili kwamba wao wanapostaafu kama vice chancellors, akirudi katika chuo kikuu kuendelea na kazi yake, yeye ajikuta kwa grade ya juu zaidi.
Ona kuhanoro uguo namba nene ya aruti wira niyo mekuhatiririka thutha wa imwe cia ngathi cia kiwira guteanirio kaimana na ingi guikurukio.
You take that particular job group 15, you lower it to grade 14. You have affected very many, because professors are many in our university. The equivalents are many, and any other grades lower there, 13, 12, all of them. Grade 11 has been scrapped. The assistant lecturer and equivalent grade.
Kiama giki ni kirutite mukana wa aruti wira kuingira mirurungano-ini angikorwo matigukuruhanio mutaratara-ini uyu, makiuga ino noyo njira iria mangihota gutetera ihoto cia aruti wira thiini wa university cia MUINGI guku bururi-ini.
They must listen to us, because come September, if they don't listen to us, the language will change when students are supposed to be back. And you know the language.
Handu-ini ha KAMITII TV jitagwo ngina wa Wandirwa.